beep, 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 beep.
Huh?
I will do it faster. Okay. The reason why my Morse code copy paste is so ready is because I've been practicing Morse code all of this time for my anniversary project. So before you watch my anniversary stream, make sure you learn how to Morse code. Okay? Learn how to Morse code to save KAELA. That's a glutamine. Morse code anniversary stream. Let's go.
10 minutes later.
Wow, that's super long! Thank you everyone, thank you! New original stuff, yo! Let's go!